What's up, guys? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be learning how to tie a tie, specifically a double Windsor knot. All right. Um, this is, you're going to see the tie here has the skinny side, and then you'll see the seam. That would be the back of it. You want the seam against the back of your head. I'll show you in a minute. This is also the wide side, and that would be also facing you. That's we'll make sure that the smooth side is out front. So this is the smooth side, and so we're going to take this seam side and we're going to put the seam side around the back of our neck. All right. You can, if you do the skinny side on the right side, then you're going to have to do everything opposite of me. Just try to focus on doing exactly what I'm doing here. Once you're well practiced, you can do it on either side. It doesn't really matter. So what we're going to do is take this skinny side, and you're going to see that I take the skinny side just slightly, about an inch and a half down below the bottom of my chest, right? So you can kind of see where you start, because if you start way down here and you end up tying the tie, the wide side of the tie is going to be way up here. That's not going to look any good. Or if you start thing too high, like up in the middle of my chest, then the wide side of your tie is going to be down below your belt. You look like a clown, right? So I want to go ahead and take this about an inch and a half down below your chest line, right? Take the wide side, cross it over the front of the skinny side. So I've got the wide side crossed over the front of the skinny side. The seam is down, right? I don't see the seam right now. The seam is against the back of my head. I'm going to take the wide side, push it up through the hole here, and go to the left. So while I'm doing this, basically what I'm doing, I'm going to explain here, is I'm wrapping each side, this side and that side, with the wide side of the tie. So what I just did is I wrapped the left side of this strap with the wide side of the tie, right? So I'm tightening it up. Now I'm going to take the wide side of the tie, bring it around the back, right? This is now behind the back of the skinny part of the tie. And now I'm going over to the right side, bringing it to the middle, down the middle. And pulling it through down the middle, right? So now you'll see the wide side of the tie is now behind the skinny side. And I want to tighten up that knot. See that knot right there? Make it nice and neat. All right. Now take the wide side of the tie again. Take it around the front. So you'll see that now the wide side of the tie is around the front and there's no seam showing. Take it around the back. All right. Now push it up through the top. But instead of just pulling it right over here, where nothing's going to happen, you want to push it through the top and through the loop right here. So it'll be in front of the skinny side. I'm pulling the wide side of the tie through the loop. It kind of turned itself over. Fix that up. There you go. Got my nice little knot. Straighten it up. Pull on both sides to make it wide on the top. Slide it up. Pull the skinny side down. So I'm pulling the skinny side down as I'm sliding it up. Just make it nice and neat. Now, if you have a tie clip, you can use the tie clip to keep these two pieces together, or a tie pin. I don't particularly like tie pins because they poke holes in the tie. Or you can also use, there's a little strap back here, that you can go ahead, tuck the skinny part into that back part. And now you've got a double Windsor tie. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great rest of the day.